G'day, it's me again. Check this out. This is going to be super quick because I've hardly got any battery left. Can you see that? I'm at a place called Bremen. I'll quickly walk you down along here. Fishing gear. Walking down, I've got to show you this part down here. Most interesting. We got things that may or may not be red brick, like these things here. Check out the colour of them. That does nothing. But yeah, they're pretty red when they're saturated. And here, look at this. What was this? What was... Please somebody tell me. What on the earth? It's like there's red brick falling out of the riverbank. Does that not seem like it's a continuous line going all the way across there? All the way? All up under here. And if you can find this spot, the fishing's unreal. Especially in winter for the crays. Damn. I was getting $2 in as many hours. I was getting that many. I had to walk the jennies down river, ones with the berries, get rid of them so I didn't keep catching them. Anyway, I love this part of the world. This is one of my favourite parts of the world. I haven't seen a lot of the world outside of Australia. I've seen a lot of it. Get your ass out here, people. You go to the spots where people don't go fishing because it's a little bit too hard to get to. You get to the best fishing spots and you find drop-offs like this. A continuum from this, perhaps? But the cray that get down in them waters. Tell you what. Anyway, battery's just about dead. Spill and I have to go to work tomorrow, otherwise I'd stay out here tonight. Anyway, what can I handle I can call myself? How about Mud Flood Muzz? Or just Muzz? See yous.